Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. You know the thing goes, so I'm back here in Trenchtown. You know it goes already, and today I want to clean the whole chef's toilet. You know, so you know we got some toilets already that we got from, you know, the thing from unknown, you know, from the UK, we doing some toilets, so you know they got toilets already, so need to go get our face basin, you know, and get the fixtures them and everything to go inside of the bathroom, you know, so that is the plan today, you know, and so what else we can get done. So we're gonna go in the storeroom, you know, to get out the toilets and everything. That's it. Whoa! So we have Rasta Jackson here from the corner. Ooh. Oh, I didn't know what we were bringing over.
Yeah, care about the box of wax on?
No, sir, when I tell you, I'm going to bring over.
Oh, that's up here.
Yeah. Come here, bro. Yeah, man, you want to do your carry? Yeah, go on, okay. Take your time, put it up. Take your time.
Got the key on. Ok, ma mia, me la fa perso.
Oh, I get it. You get the face, base and feet. From there. That worship toilet go in. Everything goes there. Get the money, go. Kayla, something out of the purse now. You know, give me something out of the purse now. See that money purse, money purse. Move. Give me something out of the purse now. Give me something out of the purse. Yeah, give me something out of the purse.
Yes.
All right, then talk for you. Put the camera back for you. Give me something now. Kayla, give me something, man. Bring that passport, drop it off. That bolt from the bottom then.
Yeah, from the bottom of the hole.
Heavy.
You might every morning. Every morning. You can't have ball alone in the like a next piece in the top.
Eh?
Tank on top. Oh, the tank, yeah, tank.
Yeah, the tank in there. So guys, so we have to give thanks to Unknown as well too for these stylists, you know. So see the first one's gonna install into the row chef place. That boom still at work.
Yeah, man, come up here.
Yes guys, as I say, we're still on the journey the same way, and even for my friend, you know, we still haven't found his body as yet. Still searching the same way, you know, so you know, can you imagine how everyone's feeling, you know, still looking for the missing body, still haven't found him as yet, you know, so only God knows, only God knows. So today we take a break off the road, you know, from looking, and then now we're just here heading out to helping out, try to finish off the whole chef project, so, you know, whole chef can get his house opening and everything can get done, you know, because it's about time. It's about time, guys. Yeah. So there's a ball wax here, go on?
Some tin set I use for it.
Tin set?
Set in there,
yeah. So I must get the face base at the same time.
Growth.
Yeah man, the growth are the last thing we're going to do. Yeah. Our prefect put in that already.
Yeah, and the next one, he'll be put in.
Do you see that? See it?
Yes, I see. Yeah, bro.
Let's rush it yourself.
Right, okay.
Yeah, rush okay. I'm gonna get the bowl wax. Now get the bowl wax and get the face base because them set up a muggle that's it.
Right away.
That's all I gonna need, eh? Nothing else.
That's
Oh chef, when I tell you the water they come through the bathroom, at the bathroom?
Yeah man, motor black at night I'm locked, I'm turning on 5 months. Through yourself 1 month.
No, we talk about when I tell you the water they come on the bottom there, so?
Oh, and in the cellar, yeah man, water come through them man, through the growth out, you know. Yeah.
Oh.
I want natural delete, the hole, alright, so the hole, so natural delete. It's the hole when dig out, for put the pipe in there, you just put the pipe in it and put the tile over it in the cement.
Oh.
Yeah. So time I put on the tile, the cement on it kind of hole, so come like some space there in there.
Oh, sure do you know what going in? I'm talking at the bathroom.
I'm sure you know what going. Yeah man. Sliding part now, and the water go down, throw water in there, like a limp water, go down through and leak underneath.
yeah, because not the properly in the middle. So that thing that in the middle more than the hole.
So the hole now, or dig out, come up underneath and
see middle, yeah?
Yeah, them place the water go through them
Show me, I show you the middle there. See where the middle fall.
Yeah.
And this is the middle stop, which where the water run. Right, this is the middle, and that's the middle.
So this is the water I go through?
Yeah, right, that's where you should have put the pipe, you see it?
Right, that
is
it.
This should have put the pipe, and look at this, and look at this.
See, you can see it, the eye I show you.
Yeah, man.
If you throw water, then know it'll take a time.
And you see it just go away.
So eventually, over the time, see, that's water clear. I want that there, so I want elbow or something.
Yeah, the elbow.
If you just look underneath and so I go and bore it out and then move it. If you throw water and now run and sweep it out down. Or soap like I try to say.
This man, watching this man, I throw water in there, you know. That's it, the water there, so the water, I'm throw it there, so.
Throw a little water there and go on with it. By the time come up to a people, you can see where I go on with it.
Yeah. So you can see say,
you can see say,
that's the second two, man.
Right.
Yeah. So I throw this way, I have to run
I have to run go from my sandal, I have to cut off the lip of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, get there.
Throw the water in there so we can see.
Yeah, man.
Which one there?
Yeah, man.
Yes, yeah, you have to go. You have Jill and bit. Board, yeah, because they sell a bracket for board, put it on the wall.
Yeah. Oh, they want a Jill.
Yeah.
Supposed to have Jill over there.
Supposed to do the money.
Yeah, but I want all of that. My Jill left, we are Portland. We got country and catch up on the flu.
Fear that many people are ball upon the floor, you know.
New flow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
This is that for you. Fix your side there.
Yeah.
Toilet and bathroom.
Alright, I'll get there and come back.
Put water in there and
on the right side. She is doing respect.
Alright guys, so we have to get the face basin. Yeah, we're gonna buy the face basin and a bowl wax to get the toilet down. Bowl wax.
I'm going to put in but him never.
That's too big. This. That they were going in here. Wow. Hello. Hello, good day.
Good day.
Can I have one of your face question, please?
Good person.
84.
Plus tax.
Huh?
That's plus tax.
Yeah, 84 plus tax. Can you
Live? Yeah, throwing up pedestal on there. Yeah.
COVID one. The Corona one, COVID one.
84.
So if you're not running for, give me that one. Which one? This. Yeah. Yes guys, so you know grabbing is toilet bowl, we're doing grabbing them stuffs there. So we're gonna get this kitchen sink, but they don't got the one that to fit its kitchen here, so I guess we have to go by Crossroad to get that. So we get in the bowl here, get in the face basin here with the sink top. So our chef can wash his face, you know. Oh, we also need for the shower. Yeah. I need a shower head as well too. And the pipe. You have shower head, right? Right, so fittings, fixtures, shower head, shower handle, and it's oh, see this one.
Yeah, man, that's coming out.
Just come here, sir.
Yeah, that's good. You good? Alright.
You fine, man, Carlo?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Come on. Still inside here, right? Yeah, man, that good. Alright guys, so yes, so that is it. Head back down on the shift. Right now.
The tongue tight.
Eh?
Come broke in our back. Oh. Toilet tongue.
Oh, it broke.
Come broke.
Right there.
Pussy. You in this up? I thought this. I'm supposed to take it.
Broke off another one. You like something you shake. So guys, so one of the tank was already broken in the box. Alright, so we'll go get another tank. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, see there.
I know say I see if I get to us again. We say I told this to us now I think I
Come here, the raffle still that come over now.
yeah. What's in the
So what are the way upstairs?
Yeah. How are you going?
You see that wall a bit and we with a pipe and the breather. This stuff in there.
This a this block, the shell in there, see.
Never put up on before? Never put up on before?
I never put it on a school, I'm not sure.
Yes, so I say that is a breather. Should have a pipe connect Going on the wall.
Water, ear.
Yeah.
Ear pipe. That
You
was
say water, you say water now.
The water now.
Go water come up here and then
It's a ear pipe. That's
It's gonna be a problem?
No,
no, it's not gonna be a problem.
Oh.
There's a show is a vent, you see?
Vent,
Look,
yeah,
look
yeah,
if
me
I
know.
see us
Me know.
underneath.
You know it's a vent and
Yeah,
that-
that's
that's
what I say
not
sometimes when
problem.
it choke up, support black, and in the house that go come. So that's why they always put it in the wall, in a piece of pipe. That may have set you.
Oh.
You understand?
The water,
Right, so
in there.
more than the less, if we'd have a bung, we'd have just bung it. So we deal with them. Just put a little piece of pipe, always put a piece of pipe on the ear vent to go out. We can stay, you can put a little piece of blank there, bung or something.
So wait. Let me see the bottom again.
No, it's a ear hole.
So which part when you flush, where you go?
You see?
Eh?
When you flush, where you go?
They say that got you.
Chew yourself.
No, I got you there.
Look underneath the bottom.
Look at the bottom again.
Nah, so
So I want. So I want. Chew yourself.
Different kind. Care about that, different kind. Them one at KFC, we put up them one thing going at the wall and it goes to book back on. That not a bottom like that, sit down on that. It's an upside down type of turn so.
Yeah.
Understand? That may I try for yeah. I may I try to talk decent and explain. We don't know how you see the hole. So you don't lift it up and show you, so you never see the hole. Yeah, I'll lift it up and show you. That's how I put my hand in it and show you say, no bottom of the day for that one yeah. Yeah, that's why I lift it up in the general and a wall that go. This is like an upstairs style it then. Rather, put it away there. Mother says it's an upstairs style it where you just right. Yeah, mother just says you connect it where you come up with a wall and just put a pipe come to it right. And that will show you sitting on the bottom, that's a lot of different tile down there.
Alright, I'm good.
No man, they may get donated to us.
Which one would I place the whole cause this probably have to go move.
Yeah, man, I have to move that bit.
Yeah. No, I left the pencil, you know, I never find it. See, so the pipe will come out of the wall. This can't gonna, this have to come so when the tank up on it.
Yeah.
You understand? Right, so it have to stay. So I forget all of the measurement there. I mark our holes first. See if we find a pencil. And you see, it's all this close here, so regardless, I'm gonna try skipping away from the doorway.
Yeah.
See, there's a little space. You should make it go out a little bit more. Like now, posing for slide a straight in a small little bit. I'm not going to balance it, catch up on it.
Yeah.
I treat this on near, I can drop over it. You over there, I say? Yeah. If I'm for side like bathroom, treat this on here, I'm going to drop over it. So if it did like out a little more now, probably should I help catch him up. Right, but anyway, the pipe run from here, so it really can't move 2 and 2, 4. This and I look alright, right? So.
Yeah, because this.
Yeah.
At least we run out of the front, out there so. So for the future, like I would do, so I didn't thought we have to be it like that. Or else we have to just buy a different one. You see me?
Can put out this one, the pipe, 3-inch pipe, so, I shoe right up in it.
So you reckon we should just buy a different one?
Well, it's up to you because we have got damage up at the tile and everything and the cost it again. So buy a different one and knowing say you're not building anymore like this, you have it in place.
Yeah, so we
know. Say, the pipe now come up from underneath the ground. The pipe will come from out of the wall for it. How much of them you have?
Well, 5 of them in total.
They may tile it now, one thing still not bonify. Mostly upstairs them use them still.
Yeah.
And when I do some work, all up on them place. Mostly upstairs. Upstairs. Alright, the safe in there, the big. See it there now? If you have a big space, the elbow that and the thing and it's good, you know, you see it. You hear that? If you have it big, you see it? Look. Come here, see.
Yeah. If you have a bigger space.
If you have a bigger space, you just put on an elbow on that and stand it up on your thing and you're good. See there? The elbow would have come right over this. And then put another short piece of pipe and put it in and hit that.
Yeah.
When the space short.
So like I would know for the next one, you know, we know what to do.
Yeah, so I get it on the wall.
Let's probably go and buy. Let's go buy one more toilet and just call it a day because I'm more damage to the cost of a day.
Yeah, because we have a damaged infrastructure and that with the hilt if you dig it down and so forth. So me just did a refer it to no.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
No man, we not bother Alticate.
Let's go buy one. A Corona one. Let's go buy a Corona one and come back.
Yeah, man, we're done there already.
Because it don't make no sense because I'm more damage to the cost. So the next time we just know.
Yeah. Everything I done.
And so we bring in some fixtures there.
Yeah, I'm going to look for the face space.
Yes,
Yeah man, go and buy one man. I'm going to put it in face space.
Which one do we get?
Let's go and pull up. Yeah, pull up that.
So let's go put back in another box. Let me come at this.
Yeah. Them not a fixture. Alright. No. Them are selling the bracket with it. No, the bracket for hold this. Have a bracket.
Yeah, this after this.
Alright.
What come with this? This and this.
Yeah, and the bracket.
And the bracket this. And the type here show you it all.
Yeah, never see what I want. I don't know if you have no tool in there. Oh, forgot to the tool come on this. Let me back the pole.
Whoa, we have to go buy one toilet.
Nah, but something, cause
So that now we can fit.
what you know, instead of coming to the box, you think must shake up in there.
Yeah. But I said, but the toilet itself, this,
Oh,
you know?
so them stay.
Yeah.
Oh, so what you know, until you put on one for the nails, you have to build up first.
Yeah.
And then
So we know what type.
Yeah.
you know one I'm making now.
Oh, a long time
Come like an elbow, the elbow, the elbow. And the elbow you have to put this side right there so.
Yeah, but it's not going to work because it's not got the space.
Yeah.
In there, so.
Alright.
Even when I'm you know, to open this up with the fork, you see it? And then the seat at the button, press in on the press button, them now.
Yeah, the press button.
Yeah.
Glass screw, not a screw.
If I go back to my place, Jackson, I'll get one Corona. Quick and fast. But I'll come back that you done there. Alright, I'm so far there.
I'm just tell booming them some far.
Alright guys, so basically for the future, you know, as you see that type of toilet is kind of different because they go in the wall, so that wouldn't be enough space to the elbow for go down in the ground because it's the underneath the toilet itself. So we have to go and get a toilet bowl, you know, and then now for the future, now building for any bathroom, now anybody will assisting with a toilet, you know, say it have to be like in the wall, literally going down, you know, because that's where, or if there's space, you know, we can build it more to the corner, we can get an elbow bend like that, you know. So well, I will get these tiles before the bathroom. No, after the bathroom. Yeah, we get this. So we get these after the bathroom constructed, you know. So we wouldn't know. So now we know moving forward, we know what to do. So I'm just gonna buy another toilet bowl now, you know, so we can just do the thing now. So you know the thing out there. So in the future, we know what it all. So stay tuned. We're gonna go and come back quickly. Bless it. Yes guys, so back at Lewin. So you know what happened? Instead we use Wow Chef money, I'm gonna buy this title for Wow Chef. Is it Wow?
Whoa! One side, not the other side, you know?
Yeah.
The landslide.
So guys, so instead of use Wow Chef money to buy this one, I'm gonna buy this title for Wow Chef.
Yeah.
You know? Help out in situation, save me so I don't have to go too much into spending.
Yeah.
Corona.
Yeah, currency.
Corona.
Yeah. I want a different color when they're down there.
Where? Alright guys, so just bought Wow Chef toilet, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah, make sure so nothing no break.
Yes.
So we reach somewhere, we'll come back again, get everything in place. Like that? Smell so?
Yeah.
You say it smells so?
Yeah, because some people say think so when I think we smell.
Okay.
Aye.
So instead of you think it smells.
Yes, it smells so.
Yeah, we'll open it and check it, right?
No problem. Go and check in our phone. See my wall inside my plumber. Yeah, man.
And the plumber is the mango, huh? Not the plumber, the mango, huh?
That plum gone a long time.
Yes, the mango.
Alright.
And the mango man.
But mango not done to man. I just made it there.
Guys, so
we have one for here for the tree, man.
yeah. So instead of plum, I use the mango.
The weekly. The weekly come here, no? The weekly come here, driver.
Can I come here, sir?
Yeah.
So we can just go to Sun Dog, man.
Oh, okay. Eat on you can do it. Don't worry, it's here.
Alright. Nothing to break, it only scratch.
Yeah, man. Inside. Inside me, scratchy daddy.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it back. And the rest pan it up. And then this goes out.
Bro, we are bounce it like that. You think a ball?
But I'm alright to bring it up. Yeah, man. Oh, come on. No drop out there. No. I have a machete.
The machete?
Yeah. I build too bad.
The bill too broad.
Yeah.
So, okay. Full attack. Guys, in full attack. Man said the bill too broad, so you have to walk with the machete. Yeah, so. What the I name?
Pablo Flex.
Pablo Bex.
Flex. Flex.
Oh, Flex.
Yeah.
Was.
No, not the word.
Was.
But the girl is Vex.
Okay, get the girl and Vex.
Yeah, when the cute one is here, find you then take set.
Aye.
Not them no regret.
Nothing they no regret. Aye, what else you have? Give some more lyrics. Give some more lyrics.
Forget them ones after you walking.
Give me one from a program I can work with.
Which program?
This is a key life in Jamaica. We do charity, we help out the less fortunate.
That's what?
I do videos.
Oh, yeah. That good something that.
So you say, give us something. Give me a lyrics for it then.
Lyrics. To the less fortunate. Make them not afraid to make them have a whole part things to think about and have no regrets.
Aye. Flex. Give yourself. Wow, it's set good, wow? Alright, come. So you know, so we're not for Vex. Flex. To say it, I'm not changed, we give Flex. Yeah, man, Flex. See it here. Big up yourself, you know, we're not for Vex.
Right.
That juice you get and now regret.
Okay.
Aye.
If I go drink one we need to know. Power. Right.
Yeah.
Because if you drink a boom, you will explode.
Yeah.
But when you drink a power, you do road.
Yeah.
Real flex, you know? Yeah. Flex.
It Wow Chef.
Yes, man. You see it, man, you know? It, man. Man. friend. Come and most of the business place up the lock up. You buy the school.
Yeah.
Security.
Which one? Go up a little bit more now.
What's your name, man? You're fire, though. We know myself, I bought my top. I'm a bad boy at school.
You want to screw them?
You want?
Yeah, man. Yeah, you know.
Come on, you can't do
Let me know this. And then there.
I'm saying blue screw up there, man. Look sharp, blue screw them, man. Better me ride over me and go look.
Oh, you get it ready?
Fine, I go, I get it ready. You don't have none over there, so I better me ride over there and look.
Oh.
And then you know, like, don't joke, you know. When you screw them in the left back over here, some drivers or some tall one we use in the ceiling.
Well, look on this here.
What them tall one?
No.
Say the tall one tall one.
Catch it up there.
Side.
This.
Other side.
Oh,
The back. The back. Shut it down on the ground.
I want there's some different brand, man.
So no one in the film, no one in the
So next, say the thing we are building now, we're not supposed to build it in the wall.
Yeah.
It will run down instead.
Oh, in the wall.
No, boom.
Yeah.
You know about it, man. Leave me alone. You see me.
There we are, there.
Yeah, man, they're taller than them. Yeah, man, they were good, man. Doing 2 more of them, though.
Then I rub it up to the video. You have Jill already?
Like this, you have to put on a charger feed, charger feed, charger. Two more now.
2 more bottle.
Very good, man.
Good, man.
Are you going to eat what I want? Eat it. Come, Sam, come big up your teacher. Come big up your teacher. She say, yes, miss. Sam is a part of Dream Team. So Keenan tell you officially, say yes, Sam. Kidan. Which school again? Arthur Tree Primary. So Kidan from Arthur Tree Primary, which is Sam's teacher. Yeah man, so Sam's been part of Dream Team. Friend of how much baby? Friend of my try to sing Keenan life. Right there so. Long time Sam's a part of Dream Team, you know, long time. Yes, everything. So big up your teacher.
I love to Miss Garden from Arthur Tree Primary. The guard up and Miss James and Miss Barnett.
Big them up. Yeah man. And big up on yourself and thank you so much for watching Keenan Life in Jamaica. Anyway, I think we're here in Trenchtown. And you know, Sam's movie there is also a part of the team same way.
One team, Dream Team, nothing a change. Heart of love. Big up all of the donors them, extended family.
Yeah. Over so.
Hey, big up my husband Prince to come war with my Sunday.
Hey, Prince come war.
Lord Prince come war with my Sunday and say I'm gonna cut out my face. Hey girl, now tap give me bun. Eh? Me say a man flying from foreign.
Yeah.
No Sam saying now what a Prince.
Prince I get why Sam's your father, long time your father don't see you. Need to go and visit your daddy.
Real man.
Yeah man, say nothing at Arthur Tree Primary School, big up in the safe teacher, you know. Keep looking out for Sam same way, you know, if you do anything wrong, you know we make it know, but Sam's not that type of person. You see me? And if he mother home training, no sir.
You know you can come from school.
Come here school? Yeah. You walk one up there. Come check the teacher?
Yeah.
Alright then, I come check the teacher.
Can go. I went them up one. Out.
When
Nayoka! You can come Monday.
So time I go on?
So you can come.
What time?
In the morning.
In the morning? You have to give me afternoon time.
Can I come 11 o'clock?
You give me afternoon time.
Is yours?
Oh yeah, you can tell me.
Your mother there. Hey girl, baby.
You can come. Who for mother? Kina.
Your mother there.
Kina, you can come lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Look here.
Lunchtime 11 o'clock.
Yeah. Alright, 11 o'clock.
Oi.
Oh gosh. I'm going to try.
Oh, I better go with him. I don't want to bring him back.
I will
now
try.
Now nice.
Baby, man, get rid of him. baby, who want baby ears giving away. Yeah. So if you want a baby.
Let up and come and come here. Look.
Baby.
Papa.
Papa. Hello.
Anybody who wants him, contact me.
Yeah. Hello. See yourself. Yeah. They are run the place riot. Maybe they are clean up outside our mansion. So maybe I capture the whole of out of the middle of the road. So you know, so when I drive past and I have to pay a toll.
Yeah. Right.
I have to pay a toll when I pass Baby Gate.
Right.
Imagine that. Passing Baby Gate, I have to pay a toll.
Yeah.
Exit and coming in. Alright guys, so we have to bring back, we're gonna bring back that one, you know, so let's show you what's going on right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, our chef toilet gone in, you know, and the face basin gone in, you know, so we're gonna put like So you kind of got the shower rod, you know, the shower rod is going to come across here as well too. You know, so the pipe is here. No water is coming yet. Alright guys, so you know that is it for today, you know. Whoa! Put that box man, can I have without the box? Put that box? Yeah man. Still in that box man.
No, not now, use next box.
A box yeah?
Yeah, use next.
No, you're holding that.
No, hold on that.
Official statement on Monday. The controversial decision to pull 4 awards from the 2025 ceremony, including the regular.
You wanna lock up man. Put that on the box man, so the box can lock up because they got dust up more. Whoa. Listen you know, they got dust up more, yeah. So there's dust up more.
3 of the 4 categories, Reddick, Christian, Gospel, and Children's, will be reinstated. Reid also mentioned that an official notice detailing all changes for the 2025 June Awards will be issued on Monday, September 23. However, the post did not clarify the fate of the International Album of the Year Award. The 4th category
On the bottom.
No, I can hold this at the top and hold the box here. No, look up.
Whoa, just because you don't want to Lego this out of your hand, hold the thing properly, man. Alright, so we're gonna call it a day, you know. So we give thanks, you know, give thanks to our extended family, you know, for reaching out, for helping out on this journey, helping the old chef to finish up this project, you know. So brother, breathe more and breathe something, you know. Breathe more and breathe something, man. Yeah, and I'm here for link. Father God. Yes guys, so I will definitely keep you guys posted as well too on about our missing friend, you know. So soon as I get any information, you know, if we find any chance of finding him, we'll definitely keep you posted and, you know, taking place, you know. So the search still continue, you know, but we'll never do any search today, you know, because of and some of the people them have to go to work and everything, you know. So that was the reason and everything why I would never do any search today, because some of the searchers them have to go to work as well to be helping them, who's been going all week, you know, with the help out. So Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.